Hey guys, what's up? Today, I know it's been a long time, but today we're gonna do some stuff with the car. Nothing too special, just we're gonna just see what a car looks like with the factory rims on it versus these wheels. So we're just gonna get a good look at them and how it looks. And we're gonna just switch them out and go all white and just run that setup for a little while until I get some parts in so that we can mess around with those. You'll notice that I did put back the factory trunk and wing setup back on. The reason for that is I'm going to get the other trunk prepped and painted so that I can get the wing on it and so on. And honestly, I kind of did miss the wing, but we're gonna switch it up and see the old OEM BBSs. I asked my buddy to help me put the tires on, and he was able to do that for me. So why not put them on and see how it looks. So I showed you guys these wheels before when I was doing the diffuser video, but now they've got some tires on them. Couple things is the center caps. I guess the previous owner siliconed them in, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get this silicone off the wheels, but and then have them reinserted. Right now they don't want to go, but we can definitely take a look at that and some finer detail, and I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So yeah, let's just see if we can get them mounted quickly and we'll go from there. Alright, initial impressions. I do like the white. However, the fitment is weak. See what we can do about that. I do have some spacers that we can run on these. So I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, here's a quick look. What it looks like. Versus. But yeah, let's take these back off. Put some larger spacers on it. See if we can just dial in the fitment a little better. And yeah, back to time lapse. So I began to put them on, and I'm not feeling it. I think I'm gonna keep the other wheels back I think I'm just gonna keep the other wheels. I'm gonna keep the reps on for a little while longer. Definitely, it does bring me back, but not really feeling it. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think in terms of how it looks. It shows up nice on camera though. Like the white on white shows up real nice. But I do like the fitment that's on these guys here. Just kind of walk around to kind of show you the differences. That versus that. Just a slight poke. Either way, it was pretty cool to play around with the car. I haven't touched this thing in months due to COVID-19 and then finally getting back to work. But I mean, I had a little bit of fun. I really wanted to see what the wheels look like back on the car again. I kind of got my answer. I do like it, but I think we're just gonna put the other wheels back on and that'll be that for a little while until I get the itch to try them on again. And I still need to clean up a little bit of the silicone. It's not seating in there, so I really want to do that first. Clean up the wheels a little, and then we can return and try to put these wheels back on again. I guess I just got to get used to it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We really do appreciate it, and see you on the next one.